Welcome back to Stocks Updates. In today's video, we're diving into the latest updates on Super Microcomputer, Inc., Nasdaq, SMCI. The company's stock has seen a slight decline of 0.2%, following insider selling activity. We will break down what this means, how the market is reacting, and what analysts are predicting for the future of this stock. If you are an investor or someone interested in the stock market, stay tuned for a detailed analysis of SMCI's recent movements. Super Microcomputer's stock took a small hit on Friday, dropping 0.2% in value after insider selling activities were reported. During the trading session, shares reached a low of $38.88 before recovering slightly to close at $42.85. This marked a minor decline from its previous closing price of $42.95. Trading volume was also notably lower than usual. Approximately 45,633,754 shares changed hands, reflecting a 40% decrease compared to the average daily volume of 76,339,742 shares. Such a significant drop in trading activity can indicate reduced investor interest or cautious market sentiment. A key factor behind this price movement was insider selling by high-ranking executives within the company. Here's a breakdown of the most significant transactions. Senior Vice President George Cao, on Wednesday, February 26th, Cao sold 71,720 shares of company stock. The shares were sold at an average price of $50.48, generating total proceeds of $3,620,425.60. Following this transaction, Cao now directly owns only 19,449 shares, valued at around $981,785.52. This transaction marked a significant 78.67% reduction in his holdings, prompting speculation among investors. CEO Charles Liang, on the same day, February 26th, CEO Charles Liang also sold a substantial portion of his shares. He sold 46,293 shares at an average price of $50.17, totaling $2,320,519.81 in proceeds. Despite this sale, Yang still holds a massive 67,430,640 shares in the company, valued at approximately $3,381,640,618.80. This sale only represented a small 0.07% decrease in his overall ownership. The disclosure of these transactions was made in SEC filings, ensuring transparency for investors. However, the market often reacts cautiously to insider selling, as it can be interpreted as a sign that executives believe the stock may be overvalued or that they are cashing out while prices are high. It's important to understand that insider selling isn't always a negative signal. Corporate executives often sell shares for a variety of reasons, including personal financial planning, tax obligations, or portfolio diversification. However, when multiple insiders sell large amounts of stock in a short period, it can raise red flags among investors. In this case, both the SVP and CEO offloaded shares on the same day, which has led to speculation. While this could be a routine financial decision, it's worth monitoring whether additional executives follow suit in the coming weeks. In response to recent developments, several equities research analysts have updated their ratings and price targets for SMCI stock. Here's what analysts are saying. Northland Securities maintained an outperform rating, raising their price target from $54 to $57 in a research report published on February 12. Loop Capital reiterated their buy rating on February 18th, indicating confidence in the company's growth potential. StockNews.com took a different stance, upgrading the stock to a sell rating in a recent report. The Goldman Sachs Group raised their price target from $32 to $36 and assigned the stock a neutral rating. JP Morgan Chase & Company also adjusted their target price, increasing it from $23 to $35 while maintaining an underweight rating. Currently, the consensus rating for SMCI stock is hold, with an average price target of $61.87. This mixed outlook suggests that analysts are divided on the company's future performance. Let's take a closer look at some key performance indicators. Market capitalization. The company has a market cap of $24.06 billion, indicating its size and market presence. Price-to-earnings PE ratio. The PE ratio currently stands at 20.63, suggesting how the stock is valued relative to its earnings. Beta. At 1.30, the stock shows moderate volatility compared to the broader market. Debt-to-equity ratio. The company maintains a healthy debt-to-equity ratio of 0.32, indicating a manageable level of debt. Liquidity ratios. The quick ratio stands at 1.93, while the current ratio is 3.77, demonstrating strong liquidity and financial stability. Additionally, the stock's 50-day moving average price is $36.44, while its 200-day moving average price is $39.67. These moving averages help investors gauge the stock's long-term trend. Institutional investors play a significant role in shaping the stock's trajectory. Here's a look at recent institutional inflows and outflows. Rakuten Securities Inc. increased its position in SMCI by 391.8% in Q3, now holding 76,660 shares worth $31.92 million. AssetMark Inc. raised its holdings by 164.8%, now owning 150,333 shares valued at $62.6 million. Clear Creek Financial Management LLC recently acquired a new stake worth approximately $635,000. Nepsis Inc. also entered the stock, purchasing $13.63 million worth of shares in Q4. Sanctuary Advisors LLC increased its stake by 254.7% in Q3, now holding 30,634 shares worth $12.76 million. Currently, 84.06% of Super Microcomputer's stock is owned by hedge funds and institutional investors, reflecting strong interest from large investment firms. To summarize, Super Microcomputer's stock experienced a minor decline following insider sales by the SVP and CEO. While these transactions could be routine financial decisions, they have raised questions among investors. Insider selling, while not always a negative sign, multiple executives selling shares on the same day can create uncertainty. Analyst ratings. Analysts have mixed opinions, with ratings ranging from sell to strong buy. Institutional activity. Large investors continue to show confidence in SMCI stock, with major hedge funds increasing their positions. Stock performance. Despite the minor dip, the stock remains fundamentally strong, with solid liquidity and manageable debt levels. Going forward, investors should monitor additional insider transactions, upcoming earnings reports, and broader market trends before making any decisions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you in-depth market analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.